Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I have another Dollar Tree find, and we're going to be making some Alfredo, there you go, Alfredo chicken and broccoli. Okay, so I have 2 packages of the Alfredo pasta. That's $2. I have 1 small broccoli cut up, that was $1. I have 2 chicken thighs cut up off. I cut the chicken meat off the thigh bones, that was $1. So that's 2, 3, 4, and I have a 1 large onion. So we're gonna call this a $5 meal. Okay, all right, so let's do it. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Let's do it. Okay, so in this pot here I have some olive oil already. So now I want to cook the onions. Oh, wait a minute. No fire, hold on. I washed the stove. Okay, that's better. So I'll give you the word of the day while I let the oil catch up. The word of the day. The word of the day is, what time is it? What time is it? It's time for you to focus in on you. You know, you take care of everybody all the time, but you neglect you. It is time for you to take care of you. That's the word of the day. Now, if you think about it, that's a real good one. Please do that. You know, plan you a pampering day, or plan a day where you don't have to answer to anyone. You can be too quiet to yourself, or maybe you want to go out to eat, or whatever you want to do for you. Handle you. That's the word of the day. Okay, let's do it. I can hear the oil now. It's cooking. Okay, sorry about that. I'm going to just let the onions cook a few minutes to get started, and then I'm going to add the chicken. So the recipe calls for 1 package, 1½ cups of water and 1/2 cup of milk. So because I have 2 packages, we're going to be adding 3 cups of water and 1 cup of milk. Okay? Okay. Yeah, that sounds like it's cooking. Okay, I'm going to give that 3 minutes and I'll bring you back. Okay, now that our onions is halfway done, we're going to add the 2 chicken thighs that I have cut up here. Add some more olive oil. Okay, we're going to add some seasoning. I found some light adobo. So they have that out there now. Light adobo. All purpose. About a teaspoon of garlic paste. black pepper, I'm going to let that cook for another 3 minutes and then I'll bring you back. Okay, so now that our chicken have been cooking for a total of around 5 minutes, we're going to add our other ingredients. So the ingredients call for, I'm going to turn the fire down some. It calls for some butter, but I'm not going to put the butter in because I used olive oil to cook the chicken with. So we're going to add our 1 cup of milk. I'm going to let that come back up to a boil. And then I'm going to add the pasta. In about maybe, I'd say 2-3 minutes it'll come back to a boil or less. And at that point we're going to put the broccoli in and the pasta. Okay. Okay, so let me get my pasta ready. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so now our chicken and the milk have came back up to a boil. So now I'm going to add the 2 packages of Alfredo pasta. 1, 2. And I can clearly see that I do not have enough liquid in here, so I'm going to add some water. Okay, I'm going to add 2 ounces of water. And the broccoli. Okay, we're going to let that come right back up to a boil. I'm going to add some more black pepper. I'm going to cover that, and I'm definitely going to watch that because I don't want it to start sticking or anything, because you know it's milk there. Okay. Yeah, I was really happy to find this light adobo. That was really, it says 50% less sodium than regular adobo. Great. So you can look for this in the store. I'm going to also add some, I have some grated cheese. And I'm going to add that when it's all done, because if you add it now, it will start sticking. And I feel it sticking now, so I'm going to add another ounce of water. That's a ½ ounce first. Okay, I want to taste. I'm going to taste the pasta to see if it's done, and I want to taste to see if I'm missing anything. The pasta is not done. This is the balance of that 1 ounce I just poured of water. The taste? I think the taste is good. I don't think I would change that. Tastes pretty good. Okay, I'm going to give it 2 minutes and I'll come back. Okay, so that cooked for about 30 minutes from the beginning when I put the onions in it till the finish. And I tasted to see if the pasta was done. And another way you can tell is the pasta, the whole dish kind of went to like a creamy looking look. Because the pasta will swell up when it's done. Okay, so I'm putting 2 tablespoons, cutting the fire off, of grated cheese in there. I'm just going to stir that in. It's not cooking anymore. Okay, let me plate up for you. Be right back. Okay. Look at that, guys. How about that, huh? Another view? Wow. Okay, let me taste chicken broccoli Alfredo. 1 second. Okay guys, I have it all. Creamy. No, the chicken thigh is very tender. Tender. Delicious. Oh, so good. That would work all day for $5. Okay, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.